Welcome to the world of hands.
It was a bright, breezy afternoon in Grandpa's backyard. Lily and Max were busy with their newest idea, building a kite that could fly higher than the trees.
It's fine! I know how this works. The string has to go this way.
Tekken.
Hold the stick still, Max. The frame keeps wobbling.
You know, that reminds me of how our hands work.
Our hands?
Yes, Max. You'd be surprised how much our fingers can teach us.
Once upon a time.
Welcome to the world of hands.
Once upon a time, each finger thought it was the best.
First, the thumb puffed up proudly.
Excuse me, I'm the king here. Ooh, actually the strongest.
Then the index finger stepped forward.
Oh, I point to food, toys, and more.
So the thumb and index finger each tried to prove. And when the other fingers tried to copy them,
Oh, I can't pick up.
soon the fingers began to notice something. No matter how hard they tried, they couldn't finish a single task on their own.
The thumb looked tired, the index finger sighed, and the others drooped quietly. Even the proud ones felt a little lonely.
Maybe we're not meant to do things alone.
Then something wonderful happened. The fingers decided to try again, this time together. The thumb reached toward the index leaned in, and soon every finger joined the effort. The marble lifted easily, balanced perfectly in their grasp. They laughed and cheered, discovering how strong they were when they worked as one. And from that day on, the hand never forgot. Cooperation makes every task lighter.
And that is how the fingers learned that working together makes every task easier.
So, the fingers were kind of like us today, huh?
Yeah. I guess that working together would have been a lot faster if we cooperated like the hand.
Exactly. The hands have many fingers, but one heart. Now, who's ready to try again?
Me! Me too!
Oh. Well, now it looks like someone else wants to say hello. Hi there. Name's Coop, short for cooperation. When people or fingers work together, that's when I come alive. And what would we ever do without you, Coop?
Oh, you drop everything, literally.
Hey everyone, Coop here. I was gonna tell a joke about teamwork, but I need a hand.
Teamwork, huh? It's like being part of a band, only we don't play instruments. We are the instruments! The thumb thinks he's the leader, the index keeps pointing directions, and me, I just try not to get bent out of shape. But when we all stick together, literally, we can lift anything. So remember, friends, life's easier when you lend a hand, or 5. 2 to 2. Give it a hand, folks. We nailed it.